Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Of time, we are going to provide a water, at least a drinking water, to each and every household, and within the 1 year's time, we are just successful in providing the water to my constituents. But only I pray to all the Panch members who have been seated over here that it is not only the particular about the elections, but you should know the nerves and the crux of the constituents. Constituents, it's very easy to buy and bought the vote concept. But what is next? That is the thing. This interaction means a lot. And the Honorable Governor has given a time, the perfect time, to deliver the concept in his mind, how the Goa will be lead like any other state. As far as the sports minister, I have taken the charge of my sports minister for last 20 days back. But we have a very much potential in the field of sports, because the remote area which has been, because the 70% of the state has been covered with the remote area where there is no access also, where there is where there is a potential, but we do not have any backend to support all these things. But my government is working very hard to tap the talents in the field of the sports, and I always say that there are only two fields where we can get the name and fame, that is the sports and the culture. In these two areas, my government is definitely going to focus. By now, I urge to all the Panch members, not only the Panch members who have been sitting over here, but to the entire state, that you have to put some efforts for tapping this talent, to make these children, or to boost the parents that children or the students is very rich, but we have to always tap the talents at the right time, right moment, and this is the only time when a person like Honorable Governor is coming down to our own villages. As far my information is concerned, Honorable Governor, His Excellency has visited 100 villages, sir. Am I right? So that's a great sense to the people of Goa that our Honorable Governor is down to the earth. He's going to each and every place to know the whereabouts about the state, and that is why we want a person like him. And definitely there are so many issues, sir. I will also write a letter to you, sir, so that we can have constitutional rights and the fundamental benefits, and these benefits and the rights to reach to each and every family of the state of Goa. I once again thank you all for being us and feeling us so proud that we are sitting with you, and this my Panch member has definitely given a credit to all my videos, my deputy collector, my additional collector, and once again I thank to all the team, especially the secretary to the governor, because this program has been choked within the 3-4 days of time, because I had called or I just WhatsApp one message to the EDC that there is some program at the Royal Court Garden he is going to be felicitated in the evening at 7 p.m. But before that, sir has taken the patience, sir has taken the time काढलो, आणि तुमच्या आमच्या खातीर आज हांगा उपस्थित रावल्याबद्दल तुमच्या सगळ्यांच्या वतीन हांव सराचे आभार व्यक्त करता. असोच मोग, असोच आशीर्वाद. So we need a blessing like this only. I am very thankful to you once again and giving your valuable time on behalf of all these constituents and all these village panchayats. Thank you.